Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably wanna know how to show corporation tax on P&L Report Xero. So without wasting any time, let's get started. In Xero, the corporation tax on the profit and loss report represents the tax your business needs to pay on its profits. When you record your corporation tax in Xero, it appears as an expense in the profit and loss report, reducing your net profit. This helps you get a clear view of your business's profitability after accounting for tax obligations. To clearly differentiate between your profit before tax and profit after tax in Xero's profit and loss report, you will need to make a simple adjustment to the report layout. Here's how you can do it. First, what you need to do is go to the accounting menu. Then select profit and loss from the drop-down options. Once in the profit and loss report, scroll down and click on Edit Layout at the bottom left corner of the screen. In the Layout Editor, you will notice that corporation tax is currently listed under Administrative Costs. Click on Corporation Tax, then drag and drop it into the Taxation section, which should be located between the sections for Profit Before Tax and Profit After Tax. After repositioning, select Update Layout to apply the changes. The report will refresh and you will see corporation tax correctly positioned under the taxation section. If you are satisfied with the change, save this report as a customized version. Click Save As, give it a unique name, and optionally set it as your default report. This customized report will now be available under the accounting section for future use. By following these steps, you can ensure that your profit and loss report accurately reflects your profit before and after tax, making your financial statements clearer and more informative. If you encounter any issues or need more detailed instructions, feel free to leave a comment. And that's pretty much all about how you can show corporation tax on profit and loss report in Xero. Well, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to this channel for more tips and solutions.